with all the information now pointing to a launch in January 2019, it is expected that Samsung's folding smartphone will be largely sold under the new Galaxy X branded launch. However, an industry source is accurate, it seems that this is not the case, after all. In addition to mentioning the fact that Samsung's first folding smartphone will not bear the name Galaxy X, so it is unclear at this time how the South Korean company will choose the brand of its smartphone. However, Samsung was working on its own smartphone for games, suggesting that the Galaxy X brand is now being reserved for a line of smartphones for games, although this is just speculation at this point. For those who do not know, the new folding smartphone from Samsung seems ready to adopt a screen that can be folded vertically, unlike the first prototypes. When folded slightly, the top and bottom of the panel will work separately, although if the flat phone is not flat, the device can be used like any current smartphone. In addition, if the product is completely doubled, a second hidden screen will slide, allowing users to view notifications, weather and other relevant information, such as date and time,